This is everything you will find while unboxing. You'll receive an instruction manual and a bag with all the squares that you'll need. On the edge of each board, you'll find a number printed in red. These numbers correspond to the assembly manual, as 2 letters for each type of square. Please note that there is a groove on this board number 12. Align it with the groove on the other board number 15, and the holes should face this side. Also, align these grooves, and the holes should face this side. This is number 21. It should be inserted here. Here we use the square C. Here is a hole, and you'll align it with this other hole. These 2 other holes should face this side, the side without white paint. Also, align this hole, and the 2 holes also should be towards this side. Pull the rail out till the end. Turn it over, and you will see a black stick. Press this stick and you can pull it out. Pull out the rail, Lay the stable head on the longer side. You can see that there are two holes, one in shorter distance from the edge, and the other longer. Next, tighten the screw well. Turn over the mirror. Place the head on the other shorter distance side. Before we hang the mirror on the rail, take out the charger from the box. We need to push the cable into the hole and connect the mirror. Then we hang the mirror onto the rail. And now it is the socket. Put it into this rectangle hole and pull it from the small hole. Then we'll use the screw L to fasten the socket. These are squares F. We will place the bracket in the middle, flush with the edge of the longest side of the panel. For these squares B, there is a hole on this side. Align the hole with the hole in the panel. If the hole doesn't align, you can adjust it with a screwdriver.